In this video, I am going to share how you can prepare the potting mix for pothos or the Indian money plant. This video is made based on the viewers' demand, and I am very glad that you people are showing very interest in my content. Thank you so much. Also, I will be answering some questions about the Epipremnum aurum or the Indian money plant. So let's begin. Here I have taken 1 part coco peat, half part garden soil, half part small sized stones, half part charcoal, half part compost, and add around half teaspoon of fungicide powder. Then mix all the ingredients properly. And now check out the texture of the media. It's friable, fluffy, and in this potting mix, the plant roots will be able to grow fast. I also use such potting mix for growing my pothos. Now some questions I get about pothos, and I think these are very important topic to talk about. That is, how much sunlight a pothos plant needs and how often to water pothos. Pothos do well if you provide them about 1 hour of direct morning sun or afternoon sunlight. You will observe the changes within 1 month if they receive direct sun. If your place does not have enough sun, then keep them in the brightest place you have. Dark or shady places not only slow down the growth, but also turn the leaves yellow due to lack of sunlight, because plants cannot form enough chlorophyll in shade. Now if I talk about watering, then pothos like to have moisture around the roots. But it is better to water when the plant actually needs water. It is quite easy to understand when pothos need water. Their leaves will be droopy when they are thirsty. And obviously, I check the soil before watering, because sometimes very hot weather can turn the pothos leaves droopy. However, watering always depends on the current weather, humidity, sunlight intensity, soil type, pot type, etc. So based on the watering, schedule can be various.